Alright, hello and welcome to another kasiloose video, and today we have the Hot Wheels mainline L-Case highlights. Yes it is, look at that, L-Case. So, without further ado, let's get on with it. First off, we got the new casting of the Hot, with the name of the Hot Wired. Yeah, HW drag strip, so it's a drag racer. Nice for those who like drag racers. This is it, Hot Wired kasiloose. There you go, beautiful green. Skinny wheels at the front, big wheels at the back. Hot Wired with a sort of cage there, big stonking engine at the back, definitely a drag racer. Beautiful, nice. So that's the Hot Wired, a new casting for 2022. Next one, the HW Rapid Response. Now this, let's take a look at the below there. It says 2021, so it's a new casting. But actually no, that's a HW Rapid Response, not to be confused with the Rapid Responder. This is a HW Rapid Response in 2010, I think, but this is definitely a major retool. The changes that I can think of is at the back portion here, the old Rapid Response is full of clear plastic. You can see definitely to the interior, and also the window, the headlights is part of the body for the old casting. Now the headlights is the plastic insert, which is awesome. Yep. So you guys can comment down below what you guys think. The newly improved, retooled HW Rapid Response. Yep, kasiloose. There you go. Look at that. Definitely plastic body, metal base. Yeah. Heavily retooled Rapid Response, which looks cool. Look at the interior there. Yup. I like it. Sort of like a futuristic ambulance. Beautiful. So the interior sort of like there's a monitor, hospital bed, seats. Nice. Awesome HW Rapid Response. Next one, the 69 Dodge Charger 500 with a beautiful sort of like gunmetal gray there. Yup, kasiloose. There you go. Under the Muscle Mania, look at the gray there, the gunmetal gray. Awesome with an orange stripe. Got a Hemi. Dodge signal lights, obviously nothing on the front, and out the back wheels, sort of like copper rim wheels, copper colored rim. That is cool. Yes it is. Yup, Dodge Charger 500. Awesome. Next, we're going for the Dodge Challenger drift car. This is the Formula Drift, but there's nothing to show here. Formula Drift, but this is awesome. White HW Drift. Yes it is. Kasiloose. There you go. Look at that. Formula Drift on the hood, more power, Dodge, 46 Mopa, 46 Great, Formula Drift, we have Goodrich. That is awesome. Yes, it is. Yep. So that's the Dodge Challenger drift car. Nope, not this one, not yet. Next one, the Nissan Skyline HT 2000 GTX from the previous case, repeat in the L case, which is the Super Treasure. Discussing you as the Super Treasure from the previous case. Yes, it is. Wow, beautiful color. See, loose. There you go. Look at that. The green, almost like a spectral flame. That is awesome. JDML. Wow, got the tail lights. Nothing on the headlights. Just love the color in this. Yup, even for a normal version. Wow, beautiful. That's the Hakosuka. Awesome. Next one, a new casting for the L case, the McLaren Elva in black. Beautiful kasiloose. There you go, in glossy black with a brown interior. McLaren Elva. So since it's black, the details are kinda not really can be seen clearly. Focus up a bit. Come on. I have trouble focusing it up. Yep. Black with white stripe, number 12. No headlights. Tail lights. It's a bit of shame because you can't see the details of this casting due to the black, the color black here. But this looks good. Yes, it is. McLaren Elva. Yeah. Hopefully we can get another color so we can see the details more. Yep. So there you go, McLaren Elva. Next one, the 58 Impala, the regular treasure hunt for case L. Yes, it is. So there you go. There's the circle flame logo, and yes, I believe this is the best regular treasure hunt so far. Look at that. Beautiful. With a Day of the Dead decal there, which is awesome. See, loose. There you go. Solid black with white Day of the Dead. Look at that. That is beautiful, black and white, very nice to the touch. The skull wheels, which is awesome. There's a circle flame logo, which can be found on both sides. That is wow. Look at that. Chevy Impala, 58 Impala. It's a new casting, 2006. Beautiful. Yes, it is. Awesome. Nice. Beautiful. Beautiful. Definitely. Yes, it is. Wow. Let's push it up a bit. The back there. Yes. Next, we're going for the 71 Lamborghini Miura SV, which is used as the super treasure for this case. Obviously, this is the normal version. Wow. Awesome orange there, kasiloose. There you go. Look at that. Wow. Yes, it is. Got the headlights. Very famous headlights. The tail lights. SV. Wow. Wow. This is nice. Got the side. Look at the side profile there. That is awesome. So in case you're wondering, 2017. Look at that. So this is not a new casting. The Lamborghini Miura. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. That is awesome. Nice. And we come up to two new casting, which is going to be a very famous one. We're going to take this one first. Lamborghini Sian FKP 37. Look at the color there. Yes, it is. And this, long last, we now know which is the number 85. Yup. Have to wait until L to know what is the number 85. The first factory fresh. The first car of the factory fresh. Lamborghini Sian FKP 37, kasiloose. There you go. Look at the green there. That is awesome. Got the tail headlights. Kind of weird looking headlights there. Yes, it is. And we've got the tail lights, which is beautiful. Let's focus that a bit. There you go. Look at that. Look at the tail lights there. Wow. Look at the silhouette. Lamborghini Sian. That is awesome. Love the color in this. Love the details on the back there. On the front, looks okay. It's kind of weird actually. Looking at the front there. But this is beautiful. Wow, wow, wow. There you go. Lamborghini Sian, and last one. Beautiful Honda Civic Custom. It's with a slightly smaller wheels at the back there. Looks like it. Yup. But look at that. Yes, it is. Awesome. Kasiloose. There you go. A tribute to Rio Asada. Look at that. Asada Race Garage. Mismatch wheels. Wow. 42R. The headlights is a plastic, the clear plastic insert. That is awesome. Look at that. Nothing on the tail lights. Yep. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Definitely looks like the car comes from a garage. All built up, decked up, custom made. Look at the spoiler in front there. Wow, beautiful. Yes, it is. Yup. So there you go. The highlights for the L case. What do you guys think? Quite a few new casting in there, and definitely give us the best regular treasure hunt so far. So don't forget to comment down below what you guys think. Haven't subscribe, notification bell button, share if you want. Don't forget to give a thumbs up. Comment down below. Yes, it is. Talk to you guys later. See you soon. Bye.